Assalamu alaikum. This is Mijan student ID number 17MKT073. Today my presentation topic internal validity and external validity and the difference between internal and external validity. Now let's see what is internal validity and external validity. Internal validity is the extent to which there is in the experiment there is no error or any differences in measurement, and external validity is the extent to which the result can be inferred to the world at large. Let's be more specific with a example. Internal validity, when we observe when a study is conducted to observe whether there is any sense through medication on anxiety. If in this case internal validity will be used, and when a study is conducted to on a college student, then there will be no external validity that in case of school children. That's it, internal and external validity. Now I am going to difference between internal and external validity. Difference between internal and external validity. So let's see what is it. Internal validity measures the accuracy of the experiment, and external validity check whether the causal relationship discovered to be generalized or not. Again, the internal validity describes the degree to which conclusion is warranted, and external validity describes the degree to which the outcome is warranted to generalize in another context. Then identifies. Internal validity identifies the strength of the research design and methods, and external validity identifies the research outcomes to be generalized. Then internal validity concerned with control of external variable, and external validity concerned with the applicability of the research outcomes. Then used to. Internal validity actually used to eliminate or alternative explanation for the result, and external validity used to generalize the outcome. Conclusion. Then internal validity, at last we should consider both internal and external validity in case of research, and to establish the internal validity we should use the external control. Thank you, sir. This is all about for